Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to see WhatsApp deleted messages. So I'm going to show you some possible ways or methods and how to see WhatsApp deleted messages. So first things first, you have to go to your phone settings, tap the gear icon right here and look for notifications. So for Android, it's notifications and status bar. And then you have to click this manage notifications and then click app notifications here. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for your WhatsApp application. So you can tap W. Here's WhatsApp, and you have to toggle on this allow notifications and make sure that you have turned on or toggle on this message notifications and other notifications here, like your media, call notifications, and so on. Now, the reason why you have to turn on your notification is that if someone messaged you, then all you have to do is swipe down, then you will see all the messages of that person, even if that person or user deleted his or her message. As long as you have turned on your notifications and swipe down, you will see his or her message to you. Another thing is that you have to go to your WhatsApp application, tap this three dots, go to settings, go to chats, and then tap this backup right here. And then for frequency, you have to click daily. Now, you have to do this before the person message you or the user message you. So the reason why you need to tap this backup and frequency is that all the messages will be saved to your backup even if that person or user has deleted his or her messages. So you just have to make sure that you have done this before the person deleted his or her message. So as much as possible, you have to click this frequency set to daily. As easy as that. So this one is the second method. However, the third method here is you have to go to your Play Store if you're using Android, App Store if you're using iPhone, and then you have to search for WhatsApp history. And then you will see here some applications that will help you see deleted messages or recover deleted messages, especially on your WhatsApp. If you can see it right here, then what you're going to do is to look for other notification history, something like that. So you can type notification history or notification recovery or anything that is related to notification that will allow you to see deleted messages, especially on your WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.